Today we're going to take a look at Detail Lab's Lab Elite ceramic coating. Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail here. This is just one of many products that they offer. They offer their own line of products. They also carry some more familiar products: Lake Country, Maralex, Max Shine, Shoal Concepts. But today we're just going to focus on their product line in particular. We're working on a C7 Corvette today. It is corrected, cleaned, and it's time to protect. Here's everything needed for today's product: the coating itself, your detailing PPE, including gloves and something to protect your lungs from not only just dust particles, but vapors and paint spray particles. A mask like this is recommended. Let's get started. The Detail Lab is out of Canada. I'm familiar with the other products that they carry, including, again, Lake Country, Maralex, and Max Shine, but I'm not really familiar with their own product line, and that's what I want to experiment with here today. Applying the coating is just like any other crisscross pattern to ensure complete and even coverage. Then we'll immediately wipe off, and you want to work a 3x3 section at a time. In their kit, they do provide two applicators, not microsuede, and that may be the reason I'm feeling a little bit of a grab as I'm applying the product. No big deal, we'll use it for a little bit, and if I'm not happy with it, if I continue to feel that grab, I'll just switch over to a more plush microsuede applicator. Guys, you could pick those up anywhere. No big deal there, you can pick them up on Amazon. So after working and applying the coating evenly, we'll take two microfibers. The first one we'll just massage and push around the coating, make sure it's even, picking up high spots. It actually picks up a large percentage of the transfer solution. Switch over to the second microfiber towel and buff to perfection. We'll switch over to the first person view. I could show you just how easy this is to use. It does boast of unmatched gloss level, super hydrophobic surfaces, and also gives the paint a 9H hardness, and this, the usual self-cleaning and flexibility claims as well. This here is a friend's and good customer's vehicle. I will see it often. I can keep you updated as it comes to durability of the coating. It's really all there is to it. You can feel the slickness right away. The gloss is really impressive. Just repeat this process all the way around the car. A car this size and being a convertible, you're going to be around it and protect it rather quickly. Now, as I mentioned, I do not like the applicators that they send with, so I'm going to take that off, put my own microsuede applicators on there, and continue on with the project. Use the coating to protect all hard surfaces, including the waterfall here for this convertible, plastic trim, headlights, taillights, parking lights, chrome, wheels, aluminum, all hard surfaces. Don't forget those door jambs. Here at Apex Detail, we will protect every hard surface that is painted or finished on a vehicle, under the hood, in the door jambs, in the trunk area, inside the gas cap, absolutely everywhere. Before you know it, your project is complete. You can relax, enjoy the results, let this cure for 24 hours, and then after that you can take it out. It doesn't matter if it gets wet, you just can't wash it with a surfactant for the next 10 to 14 days. One thing you can do before you send it out is top it, and we'll top it using one of their protectants in just a few short minutes. When it comes to their product line, they can cover everything. And they do have a good product you can use for a topper to protect the coating as it cures for the next week, week and a half. When we send the car out at 24 hours, it's normally cured to about 85%. And at that point, ladies and gentlemen, it can be exposed to free-flowing water and rainfall. It can get wet and you can dry it, you just can't wash it with a surfactant. So we'll use their sealant for a topper here. Let's take care of the tires next. Leather protection. And restore and condition that plastic trim. As for the products that they carry, Lake Country, Miralix, Max Shine, and Shoal Concept, very, very good stuff. The Detail Lab products themselves, some were average, some were very impressive. As a whole, I will give them a above average rating here on the channel. Brian from Apex Detail, if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate. I'll catch you guys in the next video.